Hey guys, Nick here from Everything Electronic, and today I want to show you my second version of my H-pattern racing shifter. Let's look. At first, this shifter might look fairly simple. It actually is. Let's look at how it works. So let's look at the brain of this project, the Teensy microcontroller. What's cool about this controller is that it can act like a keyboard, mouse, or joystick. In this case, I want it to act like a joystick. The way this works is there are these two bearings that ride along in the track. The bearings are pressed down with a spring to make them stay in grooves. That is what keeps the shifter in what section it is locked in. Now that we know how this gear shifter stays in place, let's figure out how we know which gear to use. To do that, I'm using a potentiometer here, which is reading the tilt of this arm. And by reading the tilt, we can figure out which spot we are using. The Teensy can then take that data and then tell the computer that a joystick button is being pressed. That is how it shifts. So let's get into the background really quick. I was borrowing this amazing flight simulator controls, and I thought, let's try racing games with it. And I really like manual cars, so I decided I'd try to make a manual shifter. So now that I have it, let's watch this playthrough. Now, I will say I'm not very good at driving these games, and the simulator controls are not tuned quite right for the game, which makes it harder to drive. But the shifter works very well, and I really like it.